today, they are there. They are witness to what I want to talk so. The security agencies, they are witness to what I want to talk so. All of you saw it. I live streamed it. I was on live stream running for my life when I was attacked in front of the palace. The APC talks laid siege. For a couple of minutes, the ex-governor's convoy and the party chiefs could not gain entrance to the palace. The APC talks, you might pause the video, with a banner of Captain Osa in front of the palace, saying Obazee visitor cannot enter the palace. I'm sure you know that the security for palace will be this. CCTV there everywhere. So me, I was standing. I came down from my own Sienna, the campaign vehicle. I can't stand for back of the coastal bus will carry PDP governors and the Obazee. And then they drag me. They want to pull me out of back of the coastal bus. May they injure me. You need to see crowd of APC talks in front of the palace. They said they will embarrass Obazee and his guest.
About Obazee don't talk about the matter when just a trend. According to some people talk say Abat throw mat to the palace because of the very video when the BC Abat do. For that video, Abat can react to wetin Oba of Benin talk say na the ancestor na bring Modio level come. That thing not go well with Abat Obazee. Abat not talk he only they say for that very video. Now they take and say Abat they disrespect the palace. Now he can talk he experience with the palace. Make I leave una make we listen to Abat and also I beg make una subscribe to my YouTube channel Edoblog Gist TV.
I am a victim of politics in the palace. I am a victim. When the time comes, if I cannot get justice in Nigeria, I will get justice here in the UK. I am a victim. In 2020, during Togba, my wife, they monitor this broadcast, so she watch her for downstairs. So if I go off board, she will run, come up. She will off her. She will not make I do this broadcast. Tell me, say my dad audio, when I don't play her, to show say that they talk to me. Maybe that the day when my wife own audio, because not be audio, she they talk to me face to face. Maybe the day when my wife will pack out to say she not do again. Because of say that they saga her, saga her mama, saga me. Because of say I had a fool. They will not call you say, you will pack out. Maybe at that time, I'll call and say, so you will go and say, I am a man. I am not a baby. I have a mission. I have a message. I have a job to do. You can only advise me on, I will slow down on some areas, but I know where I go. And I know mind the bombs. All this one is on bombs. So where they go? So where will they go? The progressive at those, not the backward at those, not the agberos, not the evil retrogressive politicians. She told me the broadcast is going to be 30 minutes. I said, no, I'm doing 1 hour, 30 minutes. So I am a victim. That fateful day, the former governor-led team of governors and PDP chieftains to the palace of the Oba of Benin. Yes, Wike was there. Other governors who are still in PDP today, they are there. They are witness to what I want to talk so. The security agencies, they are witness to what I want to talk so. All of you saw it. I live streamed it. I was on live stream running for my life when I was attacked in front of the palace. The APC talks laid siege. For a couple of minutes, the ex-governor's convoy and the party chiefs could not gain entrance to the palace. The APC talks, you might pause the video, with a banner of Captain Osa in front of the palace, saying Obazee visitor cannot enter the palace. I'm sure you know that the security for palace will be this. CCTV there everywhere. So me, I was standing. I came down from my own Sienna, the campaign vehicle. I can't stand for back of the coastal bus will carry PDP governors and the Obazee. And then they drag me. They want to pull me out of back of the coastal bus. May they injure me. You need to see crowd of APC talks in front of the palace. They said they will embarrass Obazee and his guest. Make a type paper. Just type it. Obazee attacked in front of Oba Palace. You see everything in the newspaper. I was there. It was the policemen. They are not end up because they be like weak and dead. I can't hold one. And then those people they drag me. I can't hold one. Then I can't bring out a pistol. We see them back on the coaster. As he pull out a pistol like this, you know me hold on. Because I know say if I lose them and that convoy leave me for outside palace, for outside that palace, they'll find my enemy there. They would have killed my enemy for the palace. Because I was a thorn in their flesh. Anything worth doing is worth doing well. If you want to support person finish. What I'm facing today is supposed to prove to us when say I really put in my all. That's why among everybody we support them, now me they call the attack. Because I did my job very well. And so confident enter inside palace. To the extent that the vehicle so they want to do something for palace, like the cola nut and the rest, could not gain access. Now this man is the director for protocol. Had to now the reporter say Obazee come palace and not bring cola. Had to go to Oba market to go source for cola. Filishabu was with us. I was outside when Filishabu came outside to make calls. When need to PDP boys call me, welcome me face to face. I was outside when Filishabu made that call. To say, where are you people? How come these guys embarrassed us? Now what people say, come pursue APC people come over there. Now not just some people APC shoot some PDP shoot some people even land up for hospital. I have a video where Filishabu visited some of them. That evening, Justice Kokuma was the commissioner of police. He called me. He said, you are a victim. He said, I can't give my report for Sagope House. All the wicked, they were furious. The Tabuwa. They vexed. Babe, I have all affairs. I don't feel it not happen. I maybe tell me bring a call out. Bring her. I don't feel that. I wish I don't do like 1 hour now. Sam, now I wait to Sam. I'll bring better a goose Sam okra. Sam, better eba. I said, she bring her, say, I'll eat her hair. But just come on first, like, give me another 30 minutes. You bring her more, 40 minutes. Now? Okay, I'll come back and carry myself. You want to carry the kids? Eh? Okay, August, I'll manage them. Me, I'll trim. Okay, no wala. Justice Kokuma called me. He said, the commissioner of police, where you come to government? I said, you were also attacked. I was too busy. We did campaign for Siren Road. I don't think go. So, don't try me. All these idiots when they Europe will not get documents. They don't go themselves. They use me to create content. You want to use a back record and say, you are a coward. Where is that idiot? I mean, you know why idiots when they come online, they bully everybody, say they fight for palace. Now when I bust and say he was a former armed robber from Selu, now he runs for social media. When I say again, former armed robber. That is a guide man, a guide of him nowhere where we armed robber. He ran away. So I said, make I run this background for now. They could not say, I have been a victim. I have been attacked. The boy will attack me. Which day the Kabaka go born on Terra Revenue when I go do video. He was among the boys we follow Kabaka go there that day. Do you hear me so? Make I address the current matter where they play. I wake up this morning because that very day, after they misbehave for court, for the tribunal, I was down. I never know how people they get BP. But that day, I wish I get BP machine for test myself. I was down. I am human. I have worked. I have spent my money. I have recruited people to be part of this movement. I am a leader of people. People future did that ticket. Many people will die if we don't have good governance, which many are already dying. Many will suffer. We needed Aswe to win to save Edo. So it was not all about me or what I stand to gain. When I came to Nigeria, after that House Assembly election, the governor of Obazee asked me, what do you want? You can be here, your family go to that side. I said, no, sir. Like I said some days ago, tell you say I wish Aswe were for go Nigeria, go also for commissioner. I told Obazee, I said, my kids are too young. And this is early stage, I need to follow up. Where is daddy? Daddy day up. I don't want to say where is daddy? Daddy day Nigeria. I said, I don't quit born. My kids are too young. I wish we don't reach 10 years ahead. I said, okay, that foundation, I don't follow up. I don't transfer some kind of system. I say, I can't come. Yet stay, but I go they come frequently. And I was in Nigeria 3 times. Before they can stop me, I not come. Threatening my life and my family. Everybody say if I come to Nigeria, they'll tell me for wood. I've been a Cassie. I've been in a different frame up. They want to interview, but they'll say, make sure about Obazee name. Doesn't about Obazee say you. They want to frame me up. So that they will have an excuse to use the security agency to invite me to Nigeria or extradite me. I will always defend myself. So that very evening, I was down. Different calls. I tried to cut and cut and cut. Because I don't feel my phone in hand. Then I got to see some PDP groups. Fight! You will fight a quarrel. Hey! So say that Obazee concern. So say that this one. So say that Palace. So say Palace. So say Obago. Abuja reach 3 times. Everything. See platform joke. I call them WhatsApp warriors. They don't have a platform outside WhatsApp. They decide WhatsApp, then they make noise. They cause themselves. That night, I exited over 30 political platforms. Go and check. Now let 3 I did now. One Aswell. I exited over 16 of Aswell platform. That's why you come say that politician will create WhatsApp group. Then a dog political enemy, a dog movement for enemy. I exited almost 30 from mother. But even at the national level. As I come out, my phone call rest. You don't call it hot, you don't call it hang. So the next day, my wife called me. Alpha, your boy don't calm down. I say yes. What is the plan? Because we get plan to say after tribunal, this is the plan. I said, babe, that to slow down. I'm not able to feel too strong head-wise. Doctor will say you need rest. You need rest, but I'm stressed. It only calls when they receive a day. So then my head will bust. Also, as I say voice note, they don't say 15 minutes voice note. They pour all their life frustration, problem for my head, make I solve. Once I will use like 10 minutes, say prayer voice note. About Obazee, God will bless you. It is written in the Bible of Leviticus. They go pray. I tell one, they say, oh God, can I pray? I go, oh God, can I pray? I go, what's that? If you reach out to buy stars, no go buy, no go say super chat. Pray, I know they buy food for us, I know they buy food for Aldi. No, they buy food for African markets. Can I pray? I go, what's that? Who are you saying that you walk, you know, they pray for me every morning. Everybody will call me. I want to pray for you. This is Tuesday. That's not I say, sir, please. I can't continue this. I want to pray for you. I can't continue. I beg. I can't continue. I beg. You know, they pray for me. You know, they call me. They call me for call. Pray for my mama. Pray for my children. Please. He said, I understand. So that day I seated. The next day, I can't do video. Though I communicated that I don't quit. I can't make a, you know, I'm a blogger. So earlier I can't put I make a PC, they mock me. Maybe people thought say, I'm saying not tired. And I don't really try since 2015, October 2015. Unless I get at the end of the day, I never do 8 hours sleep. Since 2015, October, now I start social media. I used to be a very private person. I go there inside, I do political forum, they read comment, read, I don't go talk. I will laugh. Hey, say helpful, that's what they fight. Hey, it's so helpful. And they say, no, no work. I just private. I take picture. If they come and say me, come carry phone like they do selfie. I want to take picture. All the countries where I don't go, I don't get picture. Now very few I get. I don't sabi all those things. They call it laugh. Yeah, Abba don't know. Why people wait this my supporters and say, Abba, no, you don't feel quit. Now you be the last hope. Now you talk. All talk, no action. 99 advisors, one helper. Nobody to help. Nobody will say, send me your account. I want to support your work. Guy. The few way not do, I don't even reach. You don't want to lead the way do. But now I send me a message, guy. Forget to save your number. She first let me say, send me your account. I was skeptical. It's okay, if you don't want, send me your wife account to dash you with something. I can't send her your account. She couldn't really send money, put. I said, thank you. So you just have a bad person. I say, me, I fear. You just come and send me your account. After like a week, can't send that money. Madam, I better write me. If you watch me now, make I read our chat. I don't say I don't lie. But I don't save your number. She said, I say, another one? She said, yes. That woman never prayed for me once. She never called me once for any problem. Support my work. Now, people they call me about Obazee, don't go. No, you can't back down now. So I also can make I just relax. Before this morning, somebody come send me this. What it carry us come today? Come send me this.
And to tell you whatever I want.
Okay, I don't need to play his voice notes. He said, your dad speaking here, I was shocked. Sir, he said, your dad speaking here, I was shocked. I said, where my dad go, they talk again. I know he's on social media. I've always told him, please, leave social media. You cannot stand it because of your age. You know one here. So I can't put the link. One here.
So automatically, that person is not. What are you?
Now, this boy is known for this Umenwa boy, Frank. He's known for always dragging people, go say that saga, even going deep into people's personal life. But man, okay, kill boy. You never know me. You see all these Europe when they go, I say I just to enjoy. I don't know my plan. See, I don't the plan for if it happen like this, what do you go do? Now, make a fair play.
This man wants you no anyway. Every can give the other way. Go and drop that video. How dare you? Do only mama a picture of that when I went to mania. It was refused. What are you?
This is my father.
When so time ago, Mobile, the most in our baby would so time ago, we are Tawia near the one. I saw the Umabia. Una when you nick by worry, in a unity, whenever Tawia will be utility. Oh, Mexico, had in other advisable. We not concerning. See away from Facebook. He said he were in your back with him. What count a picture back? Did you go to my mama with your balajan? I was saying, Una said to whom will you do? He went with a peony. Who be away, even able to prove me. The marshal will quit all my press away. Oh, my valley way. Oh, my valley, my mother. Even bodyguard, after the civil that will be cast. He had big one. He had big one. Who did maybe 2 years where at least he have been you that's
to let you know when the one is even watching social media. Before everything about Facebook, I'm about to go to like Facebook, let me line. Assassin his comments, yet you're watching you know. In your comment in my comments. The same thing with the mother. Every time you're roving here. Every time they complain, talking to their son, see your boy, oh, about to be. Oh, wait. Now, I know why they can't picture back. No, you're picture, but I don't have to mania. This seems to be the mother together talking now. About here, oh, yeah, your brother, I want to be what? No, you're married with what? The only person who go back to come out, they didn't want to kill you. No. If you are going to be my car, walk in the on my clay over better.
And my mother-in-law, this boy is also my mother-in-law.
You know how the customer is called Bubutele. Bubutele. Era Batagona. I go shock as you go see you go hear this record.
Okay,
go shock.
Good. Now there I want play and reach. Say I go shock. Say I hear this voice notes. First, it is either they've hacked my father's phone, or the people will call my dad to threaten my dad. Because I called my dad this morning. I was angry at first. Like, the voice note you sent to me to advise me is now in the public domain. Because he never told me in the voice note that he was going to share it with others. It was a private message from father to son. So later, I call him. I got say, what's happened? He said people call him. Say they want carry and go palace. I said, who call you? He said, don't know them. What do you mean number? It's not a private number. And I said, then they are cowards. I said, what is your offense? He said, don't know. They say, I post one picture of Oba. I call it do, That's okay. That's what can you go palace? I said, what do you mean, So if they don't carry go palace now, palace what can you say? Oh, well, on a picture Oba, on a agbe to my yo. Like, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? Also, for one of them, he can forward the voice. No, see not forward that you don't even know the person. Then my uncle also called him and he sent him a message. That he now forwarded the message when he said to me, to my uncle. To say, the message you need beggar back to show where he made by, which he was wrong to do that. But for me, maybe he was just trying to clear himself. But he was wrong to do that because that message now to me, he does not owe anybody explanation. Not even my uncle. Because sometimes my uncle will come to me, talk to me. If I don't take, he will go meet my papa, my mama. You understand? So, then which other person you send out to? He said, I give my elder sister. Okay. That's okay. No wala. But anyhow, whoever passed out to this boy called Franco Menwe based in Rome, Italy, we have himself or herself to blame. Then I now forwarded this video of Frank to my uncle. Let me read my message to my uncle. I forwarded this to him. Because my sister I will get our own issue, so we don't block ourselves. I don't need to forward anything to that one. I said, La Hosa. This is a message to my uncle. I said, La Hosa, don't get involved in my social media activities again. I beg you in the name of God. Sir. See now the link when I forward to him. Sir. I forward to him. Sir, uncle, Obazee, sir, not be talk and talk. Then he can't reply me. He said, thank you. But remember, no parent will be happy to see or hear his child's name being tarnished by the public. He said, you are warning me the second time. It's all right. Now, if that message is warning, if you say like warning, I don't say like warning. Because this is not the first time, not the second time. So that I don't even call her. To say, Epa, I don't know how I tell you what that Facebook safe. I don't know why the whole world want tell me what I want post. If I want money, then little. If I want little. Bagwa, Benani Mani Fiego, when I go police, Benani Mani Fiego, Benani, little. Like, what the? Family go to their own. Friends go to their own. So, if I listen to little, I know when they post high, make that high, don't go offend person. So there was a time my uncle was, I say, can you just stop this thing that you're doing? Can you just stop it? Now they talk and say this on the second time they warn them. Eh? I got to reply. I said, please, enough is enough. My uncle now replied me. I don't see something. He said, you are very stupid for telling me that. I tell him, say, enough is enough. He said, stop posting those nonsense to me. Maybe it is still about BC for WhatsApp. He said, is it because you suddenly send me gift that I can't talk to you? You are a fool. This is my uncle. Stop. This is my uncle sending this message to me. He said, is it because you suddenly send me gifts that I can't talk to you? You are a fool. And I replied, I said, stop putting fear in my parents. You are too educated to be doing that. I am not a coward. So, this my uncle is very educated. He knows the law. He knows what is right. He knows that I reposted this thing of Punch newspaper. not me create the content. It's not my publication. I only said, if not the ancestors they communicate through me, they don't know. If I support the waiting punch talk, they don't know. If I am against it, they don't know. Just because I am a voice, because I have a name, because I have a platform, because I am the Ogbuduweni, the Azuwawa, even man, they go better. Man, they go better. And if you see this, my uncle swear, almost many people from my family don't call me say, now only me still they follow this my uncle they talk. If I'm away, I will say pioneer. I had to say pioneer. Because he don't treat almost everybody wrongly. That's why he walk by you. I said no. I don't go, we don't lose God the power. So you know the way I talk away warrant me talking about the gift when they say now, calling me a fool. I said, stop putting fear. Because my parents expect that this man knows better. Because even if they call my papa call her. Not be even supposed to call my dad. Oh well, what you look get where I will know. Oh, what you look get where? Oh well, it told me they're not tired. I was expecting my uncle to even say, but the man they go put fear. And my mom not strong. When my mom was here, my parents in your hand because you have exposed them. Since my mom not go to Nigeria for the past 1 month, I didn't post it. Because now it's not for public consumption. He has exposed my family to the world. So whatever happens, Eddie Murphy, him, and many others, Eddie Murphy, Dennis Okayiwa, with some people, every people with them our area. I said that they are still, you have exposed them. When my mom did here, I don't know what I discover. I was okay. The only reason my mom they always sick for her for Nigeria and stress. Why an elderly person go day phone almost 12 hours a day? He would day here, my mom day up. Oh yeah, call your. Oh do I If this one they drop, I don't want to pick the call. And almost 80% of the calls and attention they move for our body. My papa because do you? I thought my because one day I'll carry people because they'll come carry everything in your shop. Because bless the small market you open for outside there they stress you. So one day I go carry my mama phone for UK here. 1 week my mama not receive any call. I say rest. Who get headache? EJ. I say, I mean, tell me not to get my own challenge. That health or so all of them know, say, I don't really like me to stress my mom because of her fragile health state. My papa get married away. But my mama soft and she get health issues. So you going to meet my mom. I want some my siblings to say, hey, no, social media, why you tell me? Why you tell me? I don't do kidnapping. I don't throw bomb. I don't be a robber. They don't catch me for this. So what are they stressor? In an insult, no normal insult. Public figures, now what thing we supposed to get with that. So this boy, whoever said it to him, don't put up for problem. You know, I don't want to be the first to throw the first kick for this UK. But I get many kicks to throw. Cassie was bossing something ago, they are going to sue me, they don't send me first paper, I met 2, they want to carry me go court. I want the first person that will take me to court. So I mean myself will do my own. People first find me come gym for these leads. I let them slide to say, I know you're coming, you can call a report, my dog put to police. It's wrong for you to say because of Kabaka, you can't find me come gym, they can't threaten me for gym. I let them slide. But I tell you, say, you know what happen again, no? If it happen again, I don't let them slide. They have even threatened me to the point that they say, people, I bet say, you will just change your address, so not to cast to almost everybody know where you stay for lead, so. So I go hide for Nigeria, still hide for UK. I will not see one time at the fan house. So, one of my uncle, because my pastor is to my elder sister and my uncle, only 2 of them. Because I said some people go to my papa house this morning. I always play that role. I will play my role. If they go ahead, go hurt them. You go play say I played my role. I tell you what, I go back to Ledoyi. I mean, if I join APC, I will be. I go back to Ledoyi. Make I know, so make I join APC, maybe we get peace. If now to join APC will stop this harassment of my family, make they tell me. Maybe I will join them, make it stop. Nobody has gone to threaten Mayaki's parents. Chrisosa, Jessica, Feliciseri, Cassie, Ebosto, even Kabaka. I never hear say anybody carry go cook Kabaka papa for us. I'm not because of my parents don't go to school. Let me tell you something one I don't know. Now only police and court get the legal right to summon my parents. Let me establish this. Only police and court. And that police, there must be a petition to say, this is what my papa do. They will not invite you for questioning. Before the question, if the police gets sense, they will carry out their investigation. That's what they happen for abroad here. You don't report person, police will carry not to call or carry the person. If they call investigation, this man will go arrest. They don't do anything. No. If you don't get anything with his son, will sort themselves out. Only the police and the court get right to summon my father. My father is not an Ojewere. My father is not an Okagele. My father is not an Enogie. My father is not a chief. He's just a private citizen living his private life. He can't get pikin where can't they popular. They do politics. They do activism. Is that enough to sacrifice him? Is that enough to poison him? Is that enough to kill him? So you were there, Rome, Frank. They tell your APC people, make it end for Facebook here. Oh. You have exposed my father. You have exposed my family. Make it end for here. Oh, now, you there for here. Make it end for social media. No. Because I've also been receiving threats. If you see my DM, they're going to invite your party, they invite a monkey face papa. That's what they are telling me. I said to them, I doubt if the palace we go that petty to say about the more people on the way. Kabaka, Ebosto, let's see. Dear am weird body. Let's see. I'm the most threatened person. Every corner. Message to Albert. Hey, like, don't enter Binio. Don't enter Binio. Don't enter this one. Don't call Nigeria. Don't go for Nigeria. Go save you. Over 1,300 people watching now are witness to this fact. If you talk to Akobe, not come Bini. If you talk to governor, not come Bini. If I disagree with Palace, not come Bini. I have my rights. I respect the traditional institution. As an Edo man, I respect the Reverend King Oba Obini. Yes. But I don't agree with the politics of Shomole, Okpebolo, and the APC. They are playing with the palace. And I can tell you, many Edos all over the world share this sentiment. We can be quiet now. Look at today now. You see video, some person go to talk about Obini. Just go to internet. It's not everywhere. Nobody's calling them out. Nobody's threatening their parents. Nobody. Let me do that. I don't come apart. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. And I'll get them, and I'll get police, and I'll get talks, and I'll get caught. If you want to go cut them, slice them for pot, make you chop them. Why they didn't go do? So that your world can clap for you and say, my amoya bat, my amora bat, my belly on your pot, Maria. No. On the part of the audio, it's unfortunate that what is supposed to be private message between Papa and Pikin come into social media. But anyway, I take that social media, no yawa. But now it is clear. When I don't say, I say, my dad, they talk to me. For now, when they do politics online, when your parents don't do social media, go thank God for your life. Maybe I wish they foresee they threaten them. Those are call it fear for your body. The time when they thought they want to go attack my parents, the information was not for me. The information was for PDP leaders. I wish it come from them. I say, hey, how about the lie? The information was not from me. I didn't even hear of it. Then they come and say, where your parents? We need to protect them. They want to attack your family. The information was not from me. I take act. We raise alarm. Because he come out. He talk about the voice note now. Come out. He said he don't come out. He said what he want to go. House so he don't live for over 30 years. Why you want to come out? He don't go anywhere. He has never lived anywhere outside that house. My papa never sleep outside once, unless he go Lagos, go do something. Or say, Rama, you or Moko, you of your work away. Ask my way. As I say, I go London, I go, maybe you, maybe you, and then you are a book, able to come, as of my have you, maybe you, even if it's 12 o'clock, I must go out. But I able here, you start, you do, yeah, waka. Maybe you, now, for Umewe, this boy has been dragging me for years now. You reply. I just look at him, make it drag me. Why you get views? I believe we can still work together. During that election, I contacted and said, work for us. I send me your account. I sent him money. He don't confess to now. He said he shared the money people now. I sent him money. But he said, what they come make an invest for me? Because money when I give her small compared to what I give Brother Mike. So when Brother Mike come back and say money when I give her, it's called anger and call make confess. Say, so how about give Brother Mike this kind of money? Call give me this small money. Let me your joy, Esther, and destiny. You can fight me. Your joy they begin fight me. Begin drag me. Every time, how about. I don't reply him. Because he doesn't have a name. He doesn't have a platform. He doesn't have the education. He doesn't have the exposure. He doesn't have the connection. He doesn't have the name to attract 33 million views in 28 days. He doesn't. He has his own local audience. The illiterates among the Beninese, the illiterates, they listen to him. My followership cut across. The uneducated, the educated, the exposed, the unexposed, sensible ones, they are following me. So they all use me to get views. Obazee. Just type Obazee on YouTube. Type the last 24 hours. You will see over 60 people use my name and pictures when they do video. I feed them. I'm a reservoir of content. I'm a reservoir of materials. So if they are mentally stranded, they have nothing to say, they fall back to Abat. Obazee say, they never say against Obazee. That's what my papa audio is going to circulate among the jobless illiterate doing social media. Why is this trending? Because it's Obazee Papa. Erabat. That is the name. The strong name. Enemy or Wegbe. Obazee Papa. I hear Frank say, Frank Papa. Or the movie Papa, the movie Mama. The name is big. That's why as my papa audio reach their hand, the content for them. Erabat. Big name. Type it in the comment section. Azua the big name. Pepper them for the comment section. Pepper them. Azua the big name. I am not in Nigeria to physically say, okay, Pastor, I'm gonna come on back. Can the government protect them? Who know? I don't know. Will the government be interested in giving them security? The answer is no. Because they believe I am against them. Let's deal with him. People are not using me to make money, they do. I am a lawyer. Give me money, I will sue Abat in the UK. Give me money, I will sue Abat in the UK. Everybody want to feast on anything Abat. Hey, Abat, I know Papas. Hey, Abat, I know Yasomamba. Hey, Abat, I know Navy. Hey, Abat. I keep saying the answer is no. Big name. Big name. Let's also forget. Somebody sent me one video, say, play this video, and then Frank and Arrow, you welcome back. I won't do that. He said he was dragging Oba wife. Say Oba wife they sell for TikTok. Oba wife they dress anyhow for TikTok. Igbo boys they use Oba wife video till they come. He said a lot of shit against the monarch's wife. The same riffraff is not saying he may fit Oba. None of them could travel to Germany when Mofife was dragging the palace and the Oba. Dragging is an understatement. Insulting the man. Tick insult. It took my and they are shaking. That shows about Obazee is a fuss. And I doubt if the palace will take one serious. Because I have my right to disagree. And the palace knows that I have right to disagree. I'm a supporter of Obaseki. The palace must have had one or two issues with Obaseki. I have my right to disagree. Have I openly come out to disrespect the palace? The answer is no. Have I come out to insult the palace? The answer is no. Have I come out to insult the Oba? The answer is no. Have I recruited anybody to insult the Oba? The answer is no. Have I sponsored any attack against the Oba? The answer is no. So now let brainless for the fall for cheap blackmail. I'm too educated, I'm too exposed, I'm too sound to go that route with you guys. He has dragged the Oba's wife. Whatever I've never spoken about it. I saw her videos. I've never spoken negative about it because I know the monarch sees what she's doing on social media. If the monarch has not called her to say, hey, who am I? This ain't Frank. Don't go out. Drag the woman. Embarrass the woman. Embarrass the queen severely in different series of videos. It took a megbena. It took a kekabegbe. And the movie insulted the Oba. And the movie where Oba Deba and Bedo. Amaya muyi iye the movie will bo. Amaya muyi the movie will bo. Amaya we the Dennis get with deputy governor Rudare or 12 or Roviagua. So stop being hypocrites. Well, if you pay your back, or I say, well, you do. Are we going to do? Oba, where you are, yo? Well, you do. And the way it took my baby. That also said, if you the palace, the king, does that not show respect? Say, I have blocked more than 50 people this morning. APC claiming saying that they love Oba or Salua. I know how many followers I get. Minimum I get on a daily basis is 500. So if I block you, your phone, how many percent? You might plug it for where? Let me plug it. I didn't plug it since I forgot. I was charging my own. Don't worry, give me some minutes. I'll plug it for you, okay? So you record while for a weekend. I go. Where I go. Don't give me this phone since 9 o'clock. We can plug her, not plug her for her. So, Umewa, the last time I was in Italy, Rome, you called me. I was supposed to, but I changed my mind. I know my spirit said they cannot see you. You called me when I was in Rome. I mean, later, I changed my mind. I was supposed to see you, so see where I didn't know you come. I go, yeah, you go nowhere. But I changed my mind. Because I always said that you go extreme. You call me and say, hey, Frank, yeah, what the they said at me? She don't dance come your side now because of this, because both of us will get our disagreements. About Obazee, I be Edo son. I have utmost respect for the palace. That does not mean I don't have right to disagree or to feel hot when non-election mandate grabbers are in the palace dancing and celebrating. Turning the palace ground to an APC secretariat. Maybe that person don't beat you for outside. You come as a commentator saying with your papa they drink for outside. How will you feel? The world knows that they stole our mandate. And you don't expect us to be happy when they are littering the palace. Don't expect us to be happy. The monarch is educated, highly educated. So he knows what I'm talking about. I respect the kingdom, I respect the palace, but I also have right to disagree. And if they say we disagree to agree, Abi, let Okwewolo prove to us. Let me have a reason to come back and say, no be lao. The ancestors that really bring Okwewolo come or more see development. see schools, see roads, see infrastructural development, see training and retraining of civil servants, see prompt payment of salaries, see steady increase of workers' salary, see pensioners or more, see the influx of multinational companies. Look at the way the money is industrializing the state. Edo is booming. Prove us wrong. We will leave Obazee committee. Don't be blackmail. I told somebody say about when I get here, though, I tell you say if I enter Benin, nobody will stop me. Make I know enter Benin. Nobody can stop me from entering Benin. I'm a citizen of Nigeria. I don't commit crime for Nigeria. Say DSS they look for me or this one. I'm not a security threat. I'm not a terrorist. You will never bring out any video of me recruiting arms, buying arms from people, or telling people to go and commit crime. Never. Unless we're going to use AI fake cam. We bring and come here, they will know whether I'm AI or not. So I'm not a fugitive. I can buy ticket and come to Edo State tomorrow. And guess what? If I enter Edo today, no thug can come after me. I know they boast. No thug, no agberu can look for me. I swear. No, when long goes to fear them, we know ourselves for streets. I was in Benin for 8 years now. They pass Kabaka Joshua every day. Okay, they get power now. I agree. You know the highest they can do is to use the police. That's the highest they can do. Say me Benin, I go, hey, Kabaka go away, oh, hey, Boagbo go away, no, now that was finish now. Or Shaba they find you, no, now. They won't dare. They won't dare. Yeah, they won't try it. Yeah, try it. I'm going to run the you know. We are born to one way day. No, I'm going to run it. I'm not going to run it. They are going to walk when they give them, they had them because why? We don't pass that stage. One person will come. They give big boss drivers collect money for their hand. They are not respectfully doing the Agbero work because of Obazee. They are no longer beating people. Maybe now when they win now, they feel start their madness again. Nobody. The highest they will do is to use police.